Hello guys, today I will show you how to add an image carousel in Squarespace. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Squarespace and log in using user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to click on the edit icon at the top of your site in order to get into the editing section of your site. Now, you will see different pages for your website. Here, you'll have to simply navigate to any of the page and just take your mouse over the edge of any of the page and click on the add section button that you're seeing. Now, simply scroll down and click on images. Now, choose the format that looks something like this. After choosing this, you will see an image gallery uploaded to your page. Now, simply click on the edit section at the top of this page. Now, click on the grid option, that is gallery type, and choose reel. Now, the image reel has been turned into a carousel where it will be shown consecutively. Now, after you do this, you can easily click on this section again and click on edit section. Now you can also choose the width, height, overflow side, cropping, captions, styling, and different settings for this carousel. You can also choose colors, but we'll go back. I'll click on edit gallery. You'll have to simply click on the delete icon at the top of every image in order to upload new ones. So delete all the images. Now click on the plus icon. You can also click on search images and search for your library images, and you can also choose stock images. So I'm going to upload some images from the library itself. I can also search for stock images like these. I will add this one. After you do this, you will see the plus icon again at the top. After you do this, you can click on close, and as you can see, we have successfully uploaded new images to our carousel. Now anyone can click on this arrow icon at the left to go left, and the arrow icon at the right to go right. You can also click on edit gallery and click on the plus icon, then click on upload images, and this will allow you to upload images from your PC's directory. That is your personal images through this. Now you can easily use and browse through this carousel anyhow you want. So that is a simple way through which you can add an image carousel in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.